Okay, everyone, welcome to the stunning off-grid tiny house with a modern design, perfectly blending into the rugged beauty of nature. Built on rocky terrain, surrounded by a few scattered trees, this house is a true escape from the ordinary, with its slick sloping roof, large window, and cozy wooden deck. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind. And just look at how the setting sun bathes everything in warm, like pure magic. Let's take a closer look inside. Okay, now this is such a genius design choice. The raised square ceiling adds a little extra height and depth to the room, making it feel much larger than a typical tiny home. And these upper windows, absolutely love them. They bring in even more natural light, which makes the entire space feel fresh and open. Imagine waking up in the morning with sunlight softly streaming in from above. Pure perfection. As now, let's talk about the kitchen. It's compact but super functional, with everything you need in a small space, wooden countertops, sleek cabinetry, and practical layout. It's got that perfect balance of modern meets rustic. And because of this large glass window, you can look while enjoying beautiful views of nature. Just imagine having your morning coffee here. It must feel so peaceful. And wow, the love bed is another highlight of this tiny house. Instead of a traditional ladder, they have included a proper staircase, which makes going up and down so much easier. And I bet the stairs have built-in storage must have for tiny living. The loft itself looks cozy but not claustrophobic, thanks to the well-placed windows that bring it in just the right amount of light and ventilation. And check out this lounge area. Even in a tiny space, they have managed to fit a cozy sitting setup, perfect for relaxing, working, or just enjoying the view. The small wooden table and chair fit so well with the overall aesthetic, keeping everything feeling natural, minimal, and warm. Honestly, this tiny house is a masterpiece of design. Every detail from the wooden walls to the large window, the loft bed, the raised ceiling, and the cozy little deck outside makes this space feel like the perfect gateway home. It's modern, functional, and absolutely beautiful. The bathroom of the stunning modern wooden cabin tiny house. Now, tiny house bathroom can be a hit or miss, but from what I've seen so far, this one is definitely next level. Let's step inside and take a closer look. Wow, right away, I can tell this is not just any tiny house bathroom. It's got a perfect blend of functionality, style, and natural light. The first thing that grabs my attention, the wooden interior. It gives off such a warm and cozy vibe, making the space feel more like a spa retreat than just a bathroom. And just look at the ceiling design. The raised square shape with a slight inclination is such a smart touch. It gives the room a little more vertical space, making it feel more open and breathable. And those upper windows, they let in just the right amount of natural light, which not only brightens up the space but also makes it feel much bigger than it actually is. And alright, let's talk about the toilet. Now, when it comes to tiny homes, bathroom space is always limited, but this setup is perfectly positioned to maximize every inch. It's sleek, minimalist, and blends seamlessly with the modern walls. Plus, having a well-placed exhaust fan nearby helps with ventilation, keeping the space fresh and odor-free. Okay, and check out this shower cabin. I absolutely love they have enclosed it. Keeps everything contained and dry while still feeling open and stylish. The glass panel makes sure the space doesn't feel closed off. And I bet those tiles inside and a rarely nice modern touch. And with the upper windows allowing natural light to filter in. Taking a shower here must feel so refreshing. Now, this is a beautiful setup. The wooden vanity gives it a nice rustic feel, while the modern mirror placement helps reflect light around the room, making it feel even more spacious. And let's not forget about the sink placement. It's practical, sleek, and blends in perfectly with the overall design. Honestly, the whole space is so well thought out. Okay. I have to say, this tiny house bathroom is one of the best I have seen. Everything from the wooden finish to the modern fixture, the raised ceiling, and the upper windows and the efficient layout make this space feel not just functional but luxurious. And it's cozy, stylish, and just an absolutely dream for tiny house living. Okay, everyone. Between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the useful ideas, about useful inspiration. So, what do you think, guys, about this tiny home? Could yourself living in a tiny house like this? Let me know in the comment below. And thanks for enjoying this video until the end. And just wait for my next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.